This how to admin it will show you how to access cPanel Webmail from a Namecheap account. Follow this easy and quick step-by-step guide to do it. Open Namecheap and make sure to log into your Namecheap account. Then hover over on Account and click on Dashboard. Once you are in your dashboard, click on Domain List. Click on Domains and select All Products. And now I want to go to this domain or hosting Webmail. So I'm clicking on this arrow icon. And here you will find this hosting option. So you have to click on this arrow icon and click on Manage. And then scroll down. Under cPanel shortcut section, you will get email account. So click on it. And then you will directly jump into your Webmail section. Here you will get all of your available webmails. For example, I want to check this webmail email. So I'm gonna clicking on check email. Open. And that's how we can access cPanel Webmail from a Namecheap account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to admin it. See you in the next video.